Hi there everyone, in this video I will show you how to switch your Instagram account to business account. So let's get started. First of all, let me just open up the Instagram. Alright, then you need to tap on the bottom side, which is the profile icon. Then go to the edit profile. Alright, then scroll it down until you find the switch to professional account option. So tap on that. And then now you need to just continue through of this, and now you need to select the brand you want to create. So like you can select the clothing, community, digital creator, and many more options available here. So you need to select the thing like this, or you can go with this or this and this, many more things. So you need to select that. You can select the display on profile tick mark like this, and then tap on the done. And now okay, then as you can see you got two options. So as you are using a business account, you need to select the business and then tap on the next option, then again tap on the next button, and then now you need to just go through all of your information. So if you don't want to show the contact info or the your public business information, you can tap on the don't use my contact info, or if you just want to add a business address, you can add through it, and then again skip. And if you just tap on the cross icon, and there you go. So that's how you can switch your personal Instagram account to a business account. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works for you or not, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one.